Hello and welcome to another update video about DOT. Yesterday we communicated this support area for Polkadot for it to get into and ideally turn around. It did get into this area, did hold the 78.6 retrace, and on the other hand of the larger support box it held the 38.2 fib. So basically down here we had a bit of a confluence of support and it's now turning around. Now again, similar to many other coins, it's too early to really confirm that we are turning around. But until you have confirmation, the price has already run. So the key, in my opinion, is always not to wait for confirmation to make a trade, but instead to trade those areas where probabilities are high for at least a reaction. That worked out here, that worked out here in the yellow box, and in the larger yellow box it worked out as well. So 3 really good entries. I can always recommend not to try to trade every single wave. And in an uptrend, and we are back in an uptrend for crypto, be very careful with shorts. I would absolutely avoid shorting at the moment personally. Now you can still do it, but don't be surprised if markets do rally to the upside. Always make sure you use your stop losses when shorting. I don't know. I don't know how people get liquidated doing shorting these days, because the trend is up. You can't get liquidated when you use a stop loss properly. I mean, I don't get it. Please make sure when you trade, and I sometimes read in the comments, please make sure when you trade. I mean, this here is a guideline, it's a roadmap. Anybody who followed this roadmap made money over the last few weeks, but trading is more than just following a chart. You need the right mindset. You need your own trading plan. You need still to be bold to make these trades. And there is more to trading than just the charts. The chart is only one tool that the trader uses. The chart is not trading for you. Right, so I just, I mean, I'm amazed how well these support boxes are holding at the moment. They can still fail, surely, but still, we are up. We are up and we are at an uptrend. We see a nice reaction, and we can only really always trade what we see at the moment. So yeah, turning point so far is working. Now we need to wait at some point here for the first pullback, and if it makes in the first pullback a higher low, that will then be the next stage of confirmation that we are rallying. I'd like to see a break above that trend line, because we have a little bit of a descending broadening wedge here, which is a bullish. Polkadot likes to do these. Yeah, it did them here as well. Yeah, it's a similar structure where it eventually did break out to the upside. Also here, what I mentioned, we saw a reaction to the support area and it made a higher low. That's the higher low I want to see when it comes down, because if it makes a lower low, it drops back into the larger support area. But if it now moves up in 5 waves, makes a higher low, and then rallies, there's a good chance, as we did it here back on the 12th of March, to rally higher, okay? So these are the things we need to watch out for. It's currently making higher lows, it's making higher highs, it's all looking good. And if we get that turnaround really done and it sustains now, then we are due for a third wave rally. Now, again, it will be a very volatile week, so we can't really promise you anything, because tomorrow we've got the Fed interest rate decision that will certainly throw things around, short term at least. But yeah, we're looking here at target for that third wave of the 1.618 extension, $7.48. And now it's just a little bit of wait and see now that the price has left the support area. At this stage, it can very well come back into the area. For example, for that retest, for that higher low that I mentioned. But yeah, now it's a bit of a wait and see. It comes into these support areas, basically target reached, turnaround happening, and now it's just about, is the market strong enough to push above these resistances? Needs to break above that trend line, needs to break above the last significant swing high, which is here at 640, well, 646 basically, and then it can continue to move higher. Okay, that's my update about Polkadot. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.